Everyone, this is the Yuhan, and then this is my presentation, and my topic is healthcare industry. First, I divide this topic to four parts. The first part is introduction, and the second part is big data in healthcare industry, and the third part is future of big data in healthcare, and the last part is big data analyst. Move to the first part, introduction. Big data is a represent of high value, high velocity, and high variety data. It requires advanced technologies to collect, store, and analyze relevant data for decision making. And this technology, comparing with the traditional tools, big data can discover hiding patterns and some unknown models and other related information to analyze high value, high velocity, and high variety data more efficient. And what is a big data analyst? Uh, as previous mentioned, big data is high value, high velocity, and high variety information. So the data analyst is cost-effective information processing to strengthen insight and decision making. Actually, big data play extremely vital role in all industry today. But it's more important in healthcare industries. The main reason is healthcare industry including a lot of dimensions. So the big data can benefit each area. In reality, the big data technology in whole healthcare industry will reach very high profit. This big data not only impact the survey quality, but entire healthcare ecosystem. Uh, that's this is the introduction, and then let's move to the big data in healthcare industry. Actually, there are four benefits of the big data in healthcare industry. As you can see, the first is it eliminated medication errors, and the second one is decrease hospital cost and waiting time, and the third one is improve the quality of service, and the last one is get security on board. About the first one, eliminate medication errors. Medication errors can be avoided in daily operation. But the healthcare industry plan to solve such problem for 100% accuracy. Apparently, even one smaller mistake is not tolerated in healthcare. So the big data is meaningful for healthcare, uh, which can based on the existing data to empower doctors. And the second one, decrease hospital cost and waiting time. Actually, in Paris, some hospitals use the big data to predict the number of patients, and scientists also develop a most accuracy model for prediction. And big data also help doctors to capture more insights. Um, for example, a new sensor device is designed to monitor patients' status, so these patients can be avoided with leaving the hospital. So it definitely will reduce some cost. It can save a lot of money. And the third one, improve the quality of the service. Actually, the service is the most vital things in whole industry. So the predictive analysis is the key function for the big data technology. It benefits us to get more accurate results. So it can help us to provide personalization service based on the environment and the lifestyle. So it truly can help us to absorb a large sum of information and analyze it more accurate. And the last one, get security on board. Adapting big data technology in healthcare enhance patients' privacy and security concerns. In traditional way, the diverse data stored in different parts with different security degree, so it will influence the security and the privacy. But now we store all information in the cloud, so it's more safe for the patients. And move to the third one, the future of big data in healthcare. As you can see, there are six parts uh, of the future of big data in healthcare. Uh, just like the first one, make the medical and result more accurate and objective. And some others you also can see in the screen. And move to the fourth part, big data analyzed. Actually, big data analysts have extremely vital stature in current society, especially for healthcare industry. Big data analyst is who performs scientific analysis, mailing and presentation of the big database on various analytic means and use them for diction supporting. And uh, there are some most important skills of the big data analyst. For example, the big data analyzing and uh, to use these skills to get more accurate outcomes and provide some foundational technology supporting for the companies. And then this is the last part discussion. Uh, Data analysis is my dream job actually. On the one hand, data analysts play an extremely important role in the whole medical and health industry. On the other hand, this industry is closely related to my major, informatics. So I really hope I can apply what I have learned in my future work. At the same time, uh, in this digital area, the data analysis playing an increasingly important role in society. Uh, it's very safe to say that data analysis are going to be a big part of changing of the world in the future, and I'm so proud to take this responsibility. And this is my reference. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.